Hello bike friends and welcome back to the Bonnie Biker Socials. This evening I'm out on my Triumph bobber. I've been super busy recently and I haven't given you a proper rundown of my new Hitchcock's motorcycles exhaust. I've had this on now, must be coming on what, 6 months, and I'm thoroughly impressed with it. Unfortunately, I'm in the process of moving house, so everything's a bit up in the air. I've had various press bikes and just haven't had the time to sit down and properly give you a video on the Hitchcocks. So we're just going to go out for a little ride this evening. I'll give you some of my initial thoughts on the exhaust and some other things that are going on the channel and socials. So yeah, just a little bit of an update for you all. So if you're interested in seeing what I've been getting up to, stay tuned. So what's been going on then? Well, we've had quite a few press bikes already this year, starting out with the Zero Motorcycles DSRX, then we had the Triumph Scrambler 400X, the BMW R12, and now we have the Honda CBR 650R, and I've also still got the V-Strop, which unfortunately I haven't been out on it as much as I'd like to, but we got some really exciting stuff coming with that one, and looks like I'll be heading to ABR Festival, which I'm super excited about. I've never been before, but it looks absolutely incredible. I think I'm going to be camping, so if you've got any tips, tricks, advice, please let me know. But it always looks like a really cool event every time I look at the videos online or in socials, so I'm super buzzing for that one. But like I mentioned on the intro, I'm currently in the process of moving, and I'll be in my new place at the end of April. I'm going to have a proper little garage office set up, which will hopefully make creating videos for YouTube a lot more easier. But it's just so nice to be out on the bobber in the evening. Exhaust a bit louder, we'll just stop for a minute.
Thanks very much.
No problem. Yeah, so like I was saying, it's so nice to be back out on the bobber in the evenings. Don't get me wrong, it's lovely being out in the day because everyone's at work, so the roads will look quieter. But there's something about evening riding that, I don't know, just makes you feel good. I'm sure you can hear the exhausts, but the microphone is actually in my helmet at the minute. But if you've come from Instagram, or even some of the reels on here, to be honest, you'll have heard the exhausts in all their glory. So I think it was October time when I went up to Hitchcock's Motorcycles HQ and had the spiked billet end and detail exhaust fitted, and I got to say the build quality is exceptional. But we're not going to go into a full depth review on the exhaust just yet. But if you've already bought something from Hitchcock's, you know what the quality's like. Tom's such a really nice guy, and all of his staff are great. So I'm looking forward to dropping that video. So if you've got any questions on the Hitchcock's, please let me know and I will answer them in that video. Oh, look at that view. Yeah, so what do we think then? Do you like the sound of them? Hope it came through okay. Obviously these are just the slip-ons and I've got an X pipe, but I'd love to get some new headers for this thing. It does sound lovely, and them little pops, oh, the run off. I did have some Zard slip-ons before these, but these just these have made the bobber come alive. So it looks like my memory card's coming to an end, so I better sign off. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching and giving up your time. And like always, take care of yourself, ride safe, and I will see you soon.